CoinpayU is a legitimate platform for earning cryptocurrency, primarily Bitcoin Satoshis, through simple online tasks. Launched in 2017, it offers micro-earnings via ads, surveys, and referrals, ideal for beginners. Earnings are modest, 5 to 15 Satoshis, but consistent effort can yield from $1 to $5 daily. Withdrawals start at 10,000 Satoshis, around 50 cents, to wallets like Faucet Pay. Use CoinpayU.com or the Google Play app. Sign up, visit CoinpayU.com or download the app. Register with email, username, password, and country. Verify via OTP, disable ad blocker, view ads. Go to View Ads. Select PTC, click Ads, 5 to 15 Satoshis, or Window Ads. Keep tab open for 10 to 30 seconds. Complete 20-30 ads daily for around 200-300 Satoshis. Complete offer walls. Under offer walls, do surveys, app installs, or signups via partners. For example, Cointoply. Earn 5,000 Satoshis per task. Takes 5 to 20 minutes. Use Faucet. Claim free crypto every 60 minutes under Faucet, around 10-50 Satoshis. Refer friends. Share your referral link, affiliate tab, for 20% commission on their earnings. Promote via social media or blogs. Withdraw. Go to Wallet. Select Crypto, BTC, ETH. Enter Faucet Pay or direct wallet address. Payouts process in 24 to 72 hours. Tips. Check ads every 2 to 3 hours. Level up for bonus rewards. Use 2FA for security. Track via reports. Contact support at CoinpayU.com for issues. Treat as a side hustle, not primary income.